In this video, I am going to show you how to log into your Temu account. First, visit the official Temu website or open the Temu app on your mobile device. On the home page, locate and click on the sign in option. If you don't see the sign in option right away, tap on the U icon and you will find the sign in option there. Now, you will be directed to a login page where you can enter your registered email address or phone number. Then type in your password carefully and click on the login button to proceed. If the credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you forget your password, click on the Forget Password link beneath the login fields. Enter your email or phone number to receive a password reset link or code. Follow the instructions provided in the message to create a new password. After resetting, return to the login page and use your updated credentials. You can also choose to log in using Google, Facebook or Apple if your Temu account is connected to one of those services. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and also discover amazing deals on top products in my YouTube shop. Check out the description for special offers you wouldn't want to miss.